Wait. Do you mean the ultimate extreme mega insanity elite hacathlon powered by Space Bull Power Drink? Yeah, I've heard of it.
Well, this year, some guy sponsored by Rampart is participating, and if Big Rich Tech Guy wins, some of the best hackers won't want to sign up next year.
Rampart? I guess Raj must have taken over the sponsorship. And I bet anything they're cheating and giving this racer unauthorized gear.
Yeah, probably. There's no hard evidence, though.
Shit. Well, either way, this should be an easy clap.
Glad you're on board. Why don't you head over?
Suspects reporting near your location.
Control, we are still on the suspect. Over.
Control, I've lost the target.
Let me just take a quick peek here.
Control, let's put out an APW. We're getting nowhere here.
Oh, they probably hurt the resale value.
Ugh. Jordy, I'm looking at the leaderboard here. This Rad's crony must be loaded up with all kinds of crazy tech. There's no way he could have gotten these times without cheating.
Well, you still think this will be an easy clap?
Oh, it needs to be. There's no way I'm letting Mr. Big Corporation win. Man, I was almost expecting a crowd. Running through a race course alone doesn't have the same hype.
Imagine the chaos if the contestants ran the course together. I don't think Space Bull Power Drink wants people dying on their watch.
Right. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get that done. Let's go!
Nice one.
I've got to be the best pirate you've ever seen.
So it would seem.
Almost there.
Stay sharp. You still have 2 more courses.
So, I heard you're trying to beat my time. Well, I can promise you won't win with your shoddy tech.
Actually, I will win with my tech. And unlike you little corporate sellout, I don't need to cheat.
Wrench? Isn't that car stopping hack kind of like cheating?
What? No. Shut up, Jordy.
You can't let this guy win. You need to pick up the pace.
I know.
I hope you're ready for this drone course. It won't be easy.
Well, Rads isn't the only one with tricks up their sleeves. And away we go.
You'll never beat me in this drone race. My time was flawless. Good fucking luck, nerd.
Thanks, but I don't need your luck.
You don't need luck, but you needed to overclock your drone. That seems a lot like cheating, Wrench.
Shut up, Jordy. And anyway, this fucker cheated, so doesn't that make this more fair? Oh, Albion is so mad. Oh, no.
This is the home stretch. Keep it up.
Don't fail me now, little drone. There it is. That's the finish line.
You can make it. Go, 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 go.
Looks like someone's gonna get in trouble with Daddy Rads.
Oh, shitting hell.
Nice one, man. Another contract fulfilled.
Fuck yes. And it was an easy one, too.
Was it easy? You had to cheat to win.
Yes, it was easy. And anyway, it was just a minor rule bending. I had no choice, okay?
Well, now your name will be in the Ultimate Extreme Mega Insanity Elite Hackathon Hall of Fame. Congratulations.
Yes. Free Space Bowl power drinks for life. I heard you're in need of my particular set of skills.
Something like that. There's a high-band EM cloak signal popping up all over London. It's more powerful than anything on the open market right now, which means it's worth a lot to the right people. We need you to track it down.
That's all? Easy.
Well, maybe. The thing's bouncing around between half a dozen different locations, and I can't get a beat on it. If I had to guess, I'd say it's some kind of cloaked vehicle.
Hold up. Did you say ghost car?
No one said ghost car.
Sweet! I'll do it. No further info required or wanted. Ugh.